Not bad at all, but still causing some problems. We are here in Holden. This is the main street behind me. You can see that they have really cleared the roads here. This community won the jackpot that nobody really wants to win. They got a total of about 6 inches of snow, but again, still causing some problems.
Christopher Seymour picks up some of the last batches of snow after what was a long night for this plow drive.
A good cleanup, but it just kind of lingered and lingered through the morning, so just getting home now.
In Holden, about 6 inches of snow came down, one of the highest totals in the state. Not much to write home about, but still a nuisance.
We live in New England, so you gotta expect it. It's been a real dry winter anyway, so I can't complain about it.
The flakes fell throughout the night in Boston, making it tricky to navigate tight streets. In Natick, the snowfall painted a portrait of a winter wonderland. But the stormy night was a busy one for state police and first responders, dealing with several crashes. One person was seriously injured during this crash at the 9395 Cloverleaf on the Woburn-Reading line. In Braintree, at least one vehicle was involved in a crash on the ramp to 93. And in Worcester, a FedEx tractor trailer jackknifed on 290, causing a significant traffic backup. A storm to remind everyone that even a few inches of snow can lead to trouble.
Maybe one day I'll get wise and move down south where they don't have to deal with any of this stuff.
I think a lot of people share that sentiment, and many who we ran into today trying to get rid of all the snow before that bitter cold sets in for Friday. Live in Holden, Sarah Conji, WCVB News Center 5.